you're not sitting with your legs crossed.
Yeah.
We've gone back to standing, haven't we? Right, hi guys, we're here again.
Hello.
Hello. So we're back to a technique type thing, aren't we?
We are for this week.
Yes.
What are we focusing on?
We're focusing on the humble leg press.
One of the most widely used pieces of gym equipment.
Yeah, I mean we've got what, 3 in this building, sort of?
We've got 3 or 4
Yeah,
variations.
and I mean they're always busy. They're always busy out there. You're always waiting for them at peak time, so they're very well used.
Yeah.
We would sort of class it as a major lift and an accessory lift.
Yeah, you can use it for both.
Yeah.
Wait a second. It's start of December.
What's up?
What are we wearing? We've got to be wearing something more festive.
Oh my
here,
god, we
haven't
did promise this as well, didn't we? Hold on a minute. Ready?
That's better.
Hey!
Look at your hat.
I know, it's lovely, isn't it? But I'm going to have hat hair after this, which isn't good anyway. Whew.
I'm a bit warm actually, a bit toasty.
Bit toasted, a lovely, lovely top.
From next.
From next, yeah, I don't mess about with Primarni, this one. So yeah, leg press, back to the matter in hand.
Yeah, there's like, what we were saying before, there's loads of different variations. You know, a lot of people use it just for the, really to focus on, I guess, sort of like the quads and...
Yeah, they just do that sort of standard hip width type of affair.
Hip width, feet in the middle of the plate, when in reality, you can change your foot position, you can change the angle of the seat,
you go single
angle.
leg,
yeah, you can go sideways.
You can go sideways, yeah.
Don't think you can go upside down.
I wouldn't put it past some people to try. Yeah. But there's loads of variations to get various parts of your legs, and that's what we're going to focus on today, isn't it?
I'm just going to show you a few of the different variations and the muscles that they emphasise over other ones.
That's right. One thing while we're here, we might as well talk about some of the basics of sort of etiquette of leg press.
Yeah.
Okay. One thing we're saying already, it's a major lift. Another thing we would remember you to focus on is sort of back position.
Yeah.
In terms of your lumbar spine.
Yeah, so like as you unwrap the leg press, as you lower it towards you, the closer your knees come to your chest, the more your hips are going to come away from the seat.
Yeah.
So we just like to tell people to keep the chest up.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice arch in the lumbar spine, brace the core. And as they feel the back start to tilt, that's end of your range of motion.
Yes.
Okay, because as everyone knows, you can put a lot more load through a leg press than you can do a squat. Those hips start to tilt, that load goes through your spine where it's in a weakened position.
Yeah, it does. You think when someone does a squat and they do what they call a butt wink, it's effectively the same thing on a leg press. You see the hips come off, so try and keep that constant lumbar curve. You know. Also, the knee lockouts are kind of a point, isn't it?
Some people will say, you know, if you can control the weight and everything else, you're pretty safe locking it out.
Yes.
I would always say, just for safety measures, don't lock out.
Snap your legs back hard.
You can have your legs straight, maybe with a very, very slight bend at the top. I mean, you've got some people that suffer like hypermobility.
You do.
You know, it's quite common. If they lock their knees out, they're at more of a risk than someone else. You don't want to find out that you're hypermobile by the fact that you dislocate both your knees on a leg press.
Well, we've all seen those grim videos on YouTube, haven't we, of people locking legs? But I mean, it can be safe. Just, I mean, you think about squat, you lock your legs out, and it's fine there, isn't it? But
that brings you on to another thing about the leg press. Okay, don't load too much weight on it so that it restricts your range of motion that much.
Yes.
Okay.
Be
sensible.
Yeah,
leave the ego at the gym door. Okay, you'll get more out of the movement if you work through a full range of motion, a full safe range of motion without piling weight on that's too heavy for you.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. So there's just a few of the safety points, aren't they? I think. Yeah. Let's actually get into it. So we're going to be obviously going down to the gym. Hopefully there's not too much background noise to show you the different moves.
You're doing it this week, aren't you?
I will be doing it.
Excellent. Finally.
Yes.
Woo!
Legs are warm, so I'm ready for it.
Right.
Let's do it. So I'm ready for the leg pressing.
Yeah. We're going to take which one are we doing first?
Let's go start basic, shall we? Start basic.
Right. So feet on the plate. Okay. Outside hip width. Okay. Toes can be turned out slightly or pointed straight forwards. Completely up to you. Okay. We're going to unrack it.
Right.
Get that bit. Right, as Mel goes down, she's going to grab onto the handles or grab onto the bottom of the seat to pull the hips in. She's not going to go too low down, the back comes away. As she goes down, she's going to keep the knees out. Alright, so I always say to clients, think about your knees being close in line with your shoulders. That seems to work well. Create that space between your knees, press away. That's just your standard basic leg press. Great for tightening your quads, glutes. That's it mainly, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely,
you say you can get a bit more of a hamstring dominance And so what you need to do for that is have your feet higher up on the plate, isn't it? Wide and high.
Wide and high.
What a turn.
Wide and high.
Wide and high. So right at the top of the corners, but everything else stays the same. Okay, so Mel Phil going to put her hands on the bottom of the seat rather than stroke the legs.
Sorry.
Okay, just going to pull those hips in, raise that core, go nice and flat.
Yeah, you definitely feel that more.
You can even go a little bit higher, you can have your toes off.
It's true, because your heels are doing the pushing.
You're pushing through your heels, and you'll get that even more in your hamstrings compared to your quads.
Yeah, definitely feel that in hamstrings.
Good.
Yeah.
Right. Do you want to, what's next? Oh, if you want to make it more quad dominant, you can move your feet lower, a little bit lower, bring your feet a little bit closer together as well. So
Central like that.
yeah, just on the inside of your hips. It can also help if you wear squat shoes for this.
Yes.
So you can get your knees can travel further over the front of your toes.
That's really getting your quads. Yeah. So imagine you've got squat shoes on. I'm on my toes.
But everything again is the same.
Now, the rep can't get as good a range.
No, you can't. You've only got so much range at your knee and your ankle.
Yeah.
But definitely feel it in your quads more. Don't forget those hands, Melanie.
Sorry.
Just because it's light.
I know, sorry.
You don't want to keep your knees the same distance apart. Don't let them cave in.
Yeah. So yes.
Right, single leg. So
we can do a single leg central, I guess.
yeah, single. Foot straight in the middle. Okay.
Yeah.
Just going to unrack again. She's doing on two legs, she's doing on one.
No.
It's a bit harder that, isn't it? not as tricky this time around.
No, definitely not. That's quite a lot of weight.
Everything's the same. The hardest thing with single leg is what do you do
with this leg?
Okay,
Yeah.
I always tell people just to drive it into the floor as they press away.
Right.
Okay, so drive both feet into the floor.
Yeah.
Obviously.
I can feel that quite a lot in my glutes, to be fair, even though I'm central.
What you'll find is when you do single leg, your range of motion will generally be a little bit better compared to if you're doing both together.
You can also angle the foot in or out doing that as well, can't you?
Yeah.
I rarely do the angle in one, but the angle out, definitely. Yeah.
You can also, everything we did before in terms of having it lower, having it higher, that applies to single leg as well.
Go here, yeah. So, side leg. Next one.
So,
Right, so generally,
it's like
depends on the type of leg press you've got, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Obviously, the setup is difficult to actually shift yourself in the seat. Generally, for these side ones, I go quite high on the plate. And then I've got a bit heavy. So, it's quite hard as well to stop your butt coming out the seat.
Yeah.
But definitely there. That is all glutes, that's so painful.
Ideally, you'd be able to maybe adjust your back of your seat a little bit lower.
Yeah, it might
So
be
you don't
actually
feel
a
as
little bit.
upright.
Yeah, because you need room for your knees to come in. What do you see? I've got a shake.
So that back leg's taking a bit of a beating.
That is a bit of a swap. Yeah, and then but the beat stance one. You do beat stance one, which gives that leg a little bit of support. So if you, say if you go on the left leg now, you can then put the toe of the other leg just there, just to support it really, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
It makes you look a bit braver to go heavier.
Yeah. It's a bit different to single leg in terms of you've actually got something to do with that other leg. It doesn't just feel like it's doing nothing.
So obviously this is the leg that's doing the pushing, but this toe here is just like supporting it a little bit.
Yeah, you get a little bit more control.
Yeah, again you can go quite deep in that as well. So I don't feel as scared to go deep there because I know the other foot's there waiting to help.
Yeah.
And that's definitely how you feel like in the glutes again.
Yeah, I've never done that before.
No, that's a good one actually, yeah. Yeah, that's that one. Have we missed any?
No, I think that's all of them.
Oh, yeah.
B stance,
So, B stance.
split stance, narrow, high and wide, side on.
Yeah. I think that's it. Have we more? Come on.
Regular, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Narrow, wide. Yeah, that's it.
You've got like 6 or 7 different ways there to use a leg press.
Yeah, definitely.
You start switching in all the single leg stuff, you've got even more.
Yeah, and it's hitting different parts. You feel it's hitting different parts of your leg every time you do it. Definitely more glutes and hamstrings on the wider stuff, on the single leg stuff.
Spot on.
Good.
Good. Right, let's get Patrick.
Right, not really related to leg press, but while we were filming our video, we noticed one of our loyal followers, Steve, squatting. Now, he's been following our recent squat video where he's been going through the stages of squat progression and has been recently just squatting to box quite a lot. Now, he's removed the box, and we just thought we'd put this short video on showing how well he's doing without the box and how good his form's got. So, well done to Steve, and let's have a look at it.
You ready, Steve? Yeah?
Good. Steve, good. Now, you may have seen our recent squat video where we did the squat to box. Now, Steve's recently taken the box away, so this is big. This is big, and look at the weight.
I mean, you could have used 20s, Steve, you know what I mean, rather than use all 10s like, mate.
Ah.
Yeah, it looks better for camera. It does, doesn't it?
It's good for the camera, doesn't it?
You look good on camera, mate.
So, you know, Steve's built through all the stages, goblet squat, squat to box, the lot. He's got big daddy stuff now.
10 reps then, Steve.
We're not going to rip his form to bits, we wouldn't do that.
Bloody hell. Ooh. Not bad that, is it? Good. Shuffy hell. Don't you stop at 2, Padgett. Nice. Definitely 5 at least there. What do you think of his form, Mel?
Yeah, I'm impressed. Good depth going on there. He's definitely getting his form well.
He's going to go for 10. Oh.
Good.
Oh. Nice one, Steve.
Not
bad, that.
Yes, a lot better on depth, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot better.
You practiced that, haven't you?
Yes.
Sounds.
Took me a while, but good.
Good.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, right. Oh, tell you. Good.
Looks a bit soft.
Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it.
Bloody change, doesn't it?
I know, it's usually you that gets the brunt,
Yeah,
isn't it?
It's normally
You
mine.
volunteer, you can't be blaming me.
Volunteer? I don't think I volunteered. Oh, you're going to do this bit. She decides who's doing what ahead of time because she needs to be that organised.
When it comes to a back squat, it's all yours.
Yeah, so anything to do with legs, anything above, if it's core, oh yeah, I'll do that.
Oh, definitely, I'm the queen there, yeah.
Core queen over here. But Muggins getting stuck with all hard compound legs.
Oh,
Unbelievable.
But yeah, we've done it.
Yep, so
We've learned some hopefully.
taking you through a few different stances. I know.
I've just done it. This is Phil's thing, by the way, just if you wonder what we're on about.
Yeah, just do it all the time.
We've noticed from
Every
watching
time.
back videos, haven't we, that he sort of punctuates thoughts with that, and I'm sure I do something similar, like messing with my clothes up. But yeah, it's really difficult when someone's pointed something out, but not to do it. Yeah. Anyway, sorry.
Right, so leg press, a few different stances. Okay, we got narrow, wide, high,
yeah,
stood side on,
single leg variations, re-stance, all that.
We're going to talk a little bit about rep ranges
Yes.
just to finish off with.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know people tend to stick to the static 3 sets of 10.
3 or 4 sets of 10, yeah.
With the leg press, it's one of those exercises like loads of others, just to mix up your rep ranges, isn't it? So
well, there's loads of intensification stuff again, which we refer you back again to our previous video where we went through loads of stuff like this. So we don't want to repeat ourselves too much, but things like drop sets. Yeah, drop sets. If you've got a partner with you, you can easily do 10 reps, get them to strip a plate, do 10 reps, strip a plate. That's a great one to do.
Pyramid set, starting off at 20 reps, working yourself way down to 5.
Yeah, with a high weight.
Yeah, you go like 12, 15, 12, 20, 15, 12, 10, 8, 5.
You could all the way down, couldn't you?
Yeah. Wouldn't do a 1 rep max on a leg press.
No, probably
just
not.
Just because it just seems a bit daft to me.
Yeah, it does a little bit.
Yeah. Like, what's the purpose of doing a 1 rep max on a leg press? You don't do it for any sort of competition.
No, you never do. No, that's right. You could do some eccentric type work. If you've got a partner with you, again, you could get partners to push on the leg press and enhance the eccentric. It sounds bloody vile, actually, doesn't it? But it's possible, or you could just do a slow eccentric yourself. That's easy enough to do, isn't it?
Fatigue those muscles, put them under tension for a little bit longer.
Yeah, or again, you could superset it with another exercise, you know, a simple bodyweight squat or a walking lunge, whatever.
Walking lunge into sled.
Oh, yeah, now that is a tricep. Yeah, that's a good one.
We should video that for his next one.
Yeah,
you can do that
it's
one.
your turn now, I think.
No, we'll bother with that one.
No, exactly. But anyway, yeah, leg press. Anything else you need to know about leg press? Put a comment.
Yeah.
Ask us.
Anything else you want to go through? Any exercises and nutrition concepts? As always, we're here to put videos out for you. So whatever it is that you want us to do, if there's anything in particular, just leave us a message in the comments or on one of the social media pages, and we'll get it done.
I've got some sad news though. We're going to be, next week. Sad day, isn't it? Well, we're thinking of like, we want to basically, next week we're thinking of making this our last YouTube video for a little while, because we're going to start preparing for a new seminars, aren't we?
Yeah, we are, yeah.
So we thought, to give ourselves time to prep our seminars, we're going to have next week, we're going to make a really good video on nutrition base, and then maybe have a little rest from like live videos, and maybe go back to some stuff we've already done. And then we'll be telling you about our new seminars that are coming up. So.
Got some interesting plans for after Christmas.
We've got some new plans for you, so we'll be announcing that very soon. On that note, that's everything.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. We'll see you next week for nutrition-based stuff. And yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.